All right, yeah. DHS at the house for whatever reason.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
My name's Sierra Loudermilk. Oh, are you recording me?
Yeah, I am. You got a problem with it? You see that?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna back up over here.
Okay.
Because you're kind of in my personal space.
You're in my personal yard.
Okay.
Okay.
I work for Cole County Child Welfare.
I don't give a damn who you work for.
Okay. Well, I have an investigation.
Investigate.
Okay. Well, are you willing to cooperate with that investigation, or?
Fuck you and your investigation. How about that?
Okay, sir. I'm gonna leave now.
Okay.
You can. Sir, I'm not. Sir, that's my personal vehicle.
And you're personally at my fucking house, bitch, like I told you.
Okay. Thank you.
Get your bitch ass out of here. Fuck you. And that's how you get rid of DHS when they're not allowed at your house. Woo!